Xiaomi Mi 11 could launch on December 29, according to a new report. The phone will be a follow-up to the Xiaomi Mi 10 series and the Mi 10T series. Mi 11 will be powered by the latest Snapdragon 888 SoC, as previously confirmed by Xiaomi co-founder and CEO Lei Jun. Additionally, a camera imaging sample from Mi the 11th of May have been revealed by Redmi product director Wang Teng Thomas on Weibo. As of now, it is unclear when the phone will be launched, but a previous report has also claimed an end-of-year release, adding weightage to the recent development. According to a report by Gizmo China citing a source, Xiaomi is said to launch Mi 11 on December 29. It is unclear if this will be a global launch or a China-only launch. While the company has not officially shared the release date for the phone, a previous report from earlier this month also stated that the Mi 11 will launch sometime around the end of December. Two models are expected in the Mi 11 series as of now, the vanilla Mi 11 and the high-end Mi 11 Pro. Coming to the camera sample, Redmi product director Wang Teng Thomas shared an image of Xiaomi Technology Park, the company's Beijing headquarters, on Weibo. This particular post, unlike other posts from Thomas on the Chinese microblogging website, did not reveal which phone was used to capture the image, leading to speculations of it being taken on Mi 11. Thomas also somewhat acknowledged the fact that the phone's name was missing when a fan pointed it out. Last week, Mi 11 and Mi 11 Pro smartphones were reportedly spotted on 3C certification site, hinting at 55W fast charging support. Before that, alleged renders of Mi 11 showed a phone with a curved display, a hole punch cutout design, and a triple rear camera setup. According to leaked specifications and pricing details, Xiaomi Mi 11 and Mi 11 Pro will feature a 6-inch QHD plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. The smartphones are also rumored to have triple rear cameras, with Mi 11 featuring a 108-megapixel primary sensor, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle shooter, and a 5-megapixel telephoto shooter. Mi 11 Pro may include a 50-megapixel primary sensor that could just be an output of 4:1 pixel binning. It could also include a 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle shooter and a 48-megapixel telephoto shooter. Xiaomi Mi the 11th of May be priced between 3,999 Chinese yuan, roughly 45,100 rupees, and 4,499, roughly 50,700 rupees. Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro, on the other hand, is rumored to be priced between 5,299 Chinese yuan, roughly 60,000 rupees, and 5,499, roughly 62,000 rupees. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button to never miss an update from us.